Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve Facebook page restricted. To know how to fix or how to solve Facebook page restricted, you should just go to settings like this. We will click. After that, in this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of Facebook and you will enter. Then in this page you will go to click for stop and you will click here, you will click OK. Then in this page you will click storage and you will enter. After that, in this page you will click clear cache. After that you will go to click clear data and you will click OK here. After that you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for watching.